All right, hello everybody. This is problem number 3. We have another election, this time for a chairperson. And we have 3 candidates, Marge, Mary, and Millie. Why they chose these names completely escapes me, but we are asked to find the winner using Condorcet's criterion, and if that doesn't work, to use Borda's method. So I've already set up the framework of Condorcet's criterion below, just so that you don't need to sit and watch me write. So I've set it up into our 3 conversations. We have Marge versus Mary, Marge versus Millie, and Mary versus Millie. So let's start with the first one, Marge versus Mary. So remember that to do this, we need to consider, okay, who's going to win if it were just the 2 of them, if there was just Marge and Mary and no Millie. So if we look at the first column, Marge wins over Mary, right, because she comes first. And the second column, Mary wins over Marge because she comes first. And in the third column, Marge wins over Mary again. Okay, so if we were to keep track, Marge over Mary, well, that happens again in the first column. And in the third column, this gives 27. And Mary over Marge, it just happens in the second column. So we have Marge winning the first confrontation. Okay, the second one, Marge versus Millie. So Marge wins over Millie just in the first column, so that's 12. Millie wins over Marge in the second 2 columns, so that's 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So that means that Millie wins the second confrontation. And finally, Mary versus Millie. So Mary wins over Millie in the first column, and the third column, in the first column and the second column, my apologies, that gives 22 points. And finally, Millie wins over Mary just in the third column, that's 15. So in total, Mary has the most, so she wins the third confrontation. Therefore, we can say that there's no winner by Condorcet's criterion, since they each win 1 confrontation. Okay. Moving on, let's use Borda's method. Oh my goodness. Let's use Borda's method. So 3 points for first place, 2 points for second, 1 for third. We'll start with Marge. So she has 12 first place votes, 15 second place, and 10 third place. That gives 76 points. Mary has 10 first place votes, 12 second place votes, and 15 third place votes. That gives her 69 in total. And finally, Millie has 15 first place, 10 second place, and 12 third place. That gives 77. So narrowly, Millie is going to win over Marge. So Millie wins using Borda's method. And we're done.